Hello! Today I'm wearing my Viking turn shoes for a change. Here you can see them from a different angle you would not normally see them at. And I'm also wearing some kind of Eastern baggy trousers. And this is what they would look like close up from the bottom of my feet. And I'm sure you'd agree with the old leg binders, wettingers. These are very sexy indeed. Now, my soles of my shoes, on both of them, are studded. These are carpet tacks and have been done professionally by the man that made these shoes, and I'm sure you agree they're very nice. Let's just walk forward and walk back. Here I am. Oh yes, now it's very important that you do get a good pair of Viking shoes, but I wouldn't say it's your first thing you need to buy in the sense of spending a lot of money. You'd want to first of all buy some very basic shoes, I would say, and then your very expensive shoes would be one of the last things you would buy, other than a very expensive sword. So here we go, showing you the shoes again, and I'm sure you agree these are some of the best turn shoes you would see. Oh yes, leave us a like and a comment, and I'm going now, so thank you for watching this video.